Hi guys, myself Siddharth, and I welcome you to my channel.
Hello, myself Jessica. Today we are going to discuss about the word allegation.
So, without any further delay, let's get started. Meaning of the word allegation in English means a claim or assertion that someone has done something illegal or wrong, typically one made without proof.
Meaning of the word allegation in Hindi means
आरोप.
So guys, let's understand this word by framing some sentences.
1. After leaving he made allegations of corruption against the company. 2. They were probably responsible for the allegation, made by a Carmelite, called Latamar, that John was conspiring against his nephew.
Thank you Jessica for explaining me. Guys, I hope you have also understood the meaning of allegation in Hindi, as well as in English language. This is for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then stay tuned, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.